Thank you very much, Ugi, for playing 2-man scramble ba ulit? 2-man scramble. So, me and my partner, my guy, Robert Rapadas versus Sam and his nephew, James. So, 2-man scramble ba ulit, Sam? Hi, Sam. Morning, brother.
Hello, good morning.
Tsaka si James.
Top of the morning.
Sila magkakampi. Ayan. Let's see. We're playing Riviera Langer Golf Course. So, okay. So hole number 1, our 2-man scramble, playing the Blue Tees Langer Golf Course 411. So I think ang gagawin namin ngayon, may plus na sila from the start. So we're currently 4 down, start pa lang. So susubok kumapol. 4 down and adjust na lang daw sa back 9 kasi ang laki ng hinihingi, 4 and 4. Yari tayo. Oh, tumawad pa. 7 down. Basta may piligan. Tutok mo na lang Atilani. Okay, so plus 7 sila. So starting kagad sila na.
Masyado mo naman pinapamukha sa akin yung gano'n. Mention ka ng mention sa video ko eh.
Para malala.
Ba't nag-ano ba? Nag-draw ba? Diretso naman ah.
Okay. Ang laki ng hinihinging plus ni Sam and James. They're currently 7 up already, start of the round. So medyo malayo nga habulin namin ni Ugi. Pero mahirap din yung conditions kasi mahaba yung golf course and malakas yung hangin. So let's go. Let's see. Subok, this is a good challenge. Ha? Okay, we're taking my tee shot. We are left with 115 yards to the flag. Ano to, kaliwa kanan?
Kaliwa ba?
Kaliwa konti, ano? Left to right. Walang kabig lang. Tama na. Safe mo lang. Felix. Ako. Tilani. Hindi namin. Yun.
Okay.
Nag-aim left ka? Oo, kasi yung hangin pa kanan kanina eh.
Okay lang.
Diba? I think both teams are putting for birdie. Yes, please. We're uphill. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 paces. 10 paces to right to left?
Left to right.
Parang double break dito right tapos left dun. Pero mas may kalawan pa rin sa kaliwa.
So ano? Gano'ng kalaki?
Kalahating grip sa kaliwa. Pero uphill.
Tignan mo muna.
Pababa yan.
Half grip.
Plus. Pababa. So regular or bawas? Bawas 1 or 2? Mabagal ano? Mabagal.
Hindi, mahina.
Okay, Shotty and Sam putting for birdie.
Kasakit.
Bigyan ko ng konting chance isa.
Good par.
Good par, good par. Okay, so half the hole.
Hirap yung ginawa na. Hirap na. Parang binigay mo na agad.
Binigyan na natin agad para at least.
Para hindi ka na
Hindi
Mahirap
tayo,
yun.
o hindi yung bawa nag-part tayo, tapos madadown tayo na.
Pero dapat less. Parang sinurbol na ano eh. Teka, straight
7 na lang, hindi na plus.
Kanan
plus,
po.
Right inside.
Right inside.
Ay, ito yung ako tangang tingin ko right inside. Or pwede pang i-right edge. Depende sa lakas mo eh.
Uy!
Buti bumalik! Bumalik! Nice patugi! Okay, hole half. Whole half. So parehas kaming par. Nice spot, Ugi. Grabe yun, ah. Lumabas na, pumasok pa ulit sa likod. Second hole. Sam and Shotty are still 7 up. Both par. Nag-half ng hole kami. Si Dogleg left yung second hole. Nagpapakagat.
Sorry.
Sumabit before the bunker. Taking my tee shot 170 yards to the flag. Ganda, draw lang. Ganda yan, Ugi. Okay na yan, around the green na yan. Good shot, brother. Ito.
Go, go, go. Oh. Over.
Sam and James's second shot. Almost 200 yards siguro to. Kaliwa. Sumabit. We're taking Robert's second shot. A little short. 60 degrees tayo ate ha. Around the green ko lagi 60 lang.
So sa may right side
Birang
tayo.
pitching. Ganda yan.
Ay, kapos.
Ganda! Sakto! Good shot, brother. Ay, nakakamay ko. Sorry.
Good job, Berto!
Tabig.
Uy! Uy!
Okay, both teams for par. Pero mas malayo sila. We have 1, 2, 3. There's a window, slight window opening for us to bring it down to 6 down. Okay, James for par. Malakas din. Black. Wow, ganda. That's good, that's good. Take it. Malakas lang. Malakas na pitik.
Nice spot.
Nice spot.
Kala ko laki ng bali na simula eh. Okay. Currently, we got that hole. We are 6 down. Third hole, we are currently 6 down. Or hole number 3, par 4, 414 yards.
Babalik ko rin naman sa inyo yan eh.
Dog leg right.
Babalik ko rin yan sa mga tubig.
I-donate din ulit. Hindi nag-turn. Hindi nag-turn. Okay lang, fairway, safe. Ganda. Wow, perfect. Wow, good shot. Yun, maganda rin, Ugi. Perfect. Ganda yan, Ugs. Nice shot.
Good shot.
Left with 130 yards. Pero it's with the wind. So I might hit a 50 degree. Sam's second shot around 150 yards to the flag. A little chunky. Kaliwa. Kaliwa. Bunker. Chunk. Okay. Another opening for us. Let's go, Ugs. Ganda, Ugi! Maganda gising ni
Shot.
partner! Dikit.
Uy!
Okay lang. Good shot, brother. Thank you.
Good shot. Oh, kanan lang.
Menshoti around 30 yards before there's a third shot. Ganda! Wow! Look. Uy! Ang bilis! Ang tigas nung ano, green. Maganda. Good out. Okay, we have that for par. We are putting for birdie. Great second shot by Ugi, which I think we're choosing. Sa'yo na lang, Ugs. Tingin mo. Mas malapit-lapit. Ito, pababa. Medyo.
Pero yung sa break ko dito,
Mas madali ng konti yung akin. Ito na lang, Ugs. Ikaw. Ako, hindi na parehas lang. I mean, ito kasi paakyat. So, mas madali. Ito na lang akin. Yung sa'yo daw. Oh. Pwede mo right inside. We have this for birdie to go 5 down. Take 2 holes.
Uy! Baba!
Ganda!
Nice try.
Couple lang.
Okay. Take 5 down. Hole number 4, we are currently 5 down. We were able to get that hole because of Robert's putt and approach. 171 yards. Pero, lakas ng hangin. As in, wind is from left to right. Biglang nag-with the wind. Biglang nag-with the wind yung hangin eh. Very safe sa kanan.
Uy, ang ganda naman.
Nilaro yung hangin.
Nilaro, oh. Galing naman nun.
Nice shot, Shotty. Okay lang, ang ganda yan, Ugs. Safe. Over lang ng bumper. Yun, tayo pa. Sige na, ayun. Their birdie chip. Okay. We're taking Robert's shot from the bunker, which is around 30 yards. Mga 30. Ganda. Lagpas. Mabilis. Sam 4 ah. Nabola.
Galing. Wow!
Uy, nag-bite.
Nice shot, Luis.
James and Sam for their par. Nice putt. We need to make this. Nice putt. Good par. Kung 8, may plus? Wala.
Ay, ano?
Minus 1. Must make. Ganda, Ugi. Maganda. Mahina lang. Ano binigay mo? Edge, no?
Oo.
Right edge. Saktong ganda. Take it. Ako na yan. Hindi bumalik. We are back to 6 over. Ay, sorry, 6 down. Good tee shot by Sam. Fairway. Okay, hole number 5, first par 5. 600 yards. Dogleg left. We are back to 6 down. Kanan. Parang may magnet yata talaga dito sa kanan.
Ay!
Okay lang brother.
Okay, I got you.
Nice shot. Oh.
Okay lang. Oo.
So,
340 yards. Landed right at the fairway.
stop. Okay, safe.
O, palo ba ako?
Sa ilalim ng puno.
Palo ba ako?
Para fairway lang. James with their second shot. Ganda, Ugi. We're taking yours. We're taking yours. Perfect, brother. Good shot. Good shot! Great second shot by Ugi. We're left with 160 yards. Pero the wind is blowing. Grabe. Left to right. I think we need to aim for... Ayun o, hinahangin o. Hinahangin sa taas. Oh, di ba? Sakto lang. Sabi sa'yo, brother. Tayo yung bagsak na rin pa kanan. Sam and James for their birdie. Playing for. Gabi.
Tanga.
Hina. Mga 30 paces, Ugs. Paakyat against the wind. Nakita ba? Hindi. Pare. Okay lang. May chance pa rin yan, Ugs. Ganun din. Layo eh. Galing. That's good. Must make tayo, Ugs, to win the hole. Kuha.
Nice spot, Ugi!
Yoo! Ganda gising, brother. Ha? Saan ba dapat kami? Nice spot, Ugi. Back to 5 down. Nice spot. Clutch spot by Ugi. Hole number 6. We're currently 5 down. Kaliwa. Delikado.
Ba't OB ba yan?
Either kabilang butas yata yun or baka hazard. Hole number 6, 380 yards. Ang aim yata dyan sa may nyug. Yung nyug na yun, no? Sa harap.
Malayo.
Ganda. Ay, sobrang kanan. 4! 4!
Senyas mo sir kung saan po.
Naku, 4.
Kanan!
Tumama din. Ah, safe. Safe daw. Safe daw. Maganda yun, ha? Dude, bumaba. Okay. Sa may flag. We are playing 140 yards. Sige, please. We will be aiming left. Sila Sam had to take a drop. Na-drop sila. Nahulog. Okay lang. Safe yan. Okay lang yan. Okay lang. Good shot. Buti na lang nag-50 tayo. Lalagpas yun. Okay. We are mga 15 yards. Mukhang mabilis.
Sa right side, sa left side.
Parang tingin ko right to left eh.
Paano, no?
Right to
So, pero mabilis to, no? Pabagsakin ko na sa gitna.
Hindi, baka before pa nga eh.
Okay.
21 yards to the flag. Matiran G's. 60. Baba. Baba.
Wala.
Sobra lang sa kanan. Pero bilis oh.
Pero sakto.
Diba? Sakto yung speed. Lakas.
Lakas eh.
Buti lang, gilib na nila. They conceded that hole. Malakas Ugs. Malakas.
Lakas.
Mm.
Okay, hole number 7. We are currently 4 down. 8ed. Nagbi-bleed lang sa right talaga eh. Ganun din. Tilani. Thank you.
Ganda, Ugi! Naku, kaliwa masyado. Donation din.
Second shot, we're left with 160 yards. Taking Robert's tee shot. Buti lang, safe. Saktong-sakto.
Ay, kumanan.
Okay lang, okay lang.
Yun.
Kumaliwa naman sobra. Hangin. Right.
Yun.
Boom!
Yun.
Nice shot.
Nice shot.
Yung hangin na bumalik. Sam and James also chipping 4. I think birdie din sila. Playing 3. Same as us. Also chipping birdie. We still have... Mabilis na naman to. Slightly right to left. No? Right to left?
Apo.
Maganda talaga gising. Sabihin na pa. Okay, Mark?
Mm.
Ba't ang bilis naman nung akin? Niloloko ko ah. Uy. Pating ano kayo, Sam? Pating par din, diba? Take it. Good bogey.
Kanan tayo.
Must make, maliit. To go 3 down. Lakas lang. Sakto yung pat mo. I mean yung
Yung
line mo.
Yung pat lang malakas. Yun oh.
We are currently 3 down. Hole number 8 par 3. 170 yards. We need to cross this. 3 down. Sun Ugs. 3 down. Kanan. Delix. 4! Ganda ng pa-fade ah. Sakto pa-fade. Good shot.
Ay, kumanan.
Safe mo lang. Safe mo lang.
Mm.
Safe ba yun doon?
Hindi po.
May flower.
Ay, gano'n? Hindi pwede tirahin yun doon?
Pwede po, kaso mahirap yung...
Malalim.
Uy!
Yun.
Ay, bunker. Okay, Sam and James.
Shit, ang hirap.
Basta ka na, Ugs. Okay na.
May bola ka dyan, Marjorie?
Short.
What a tough shot.
Wala ko rin.
Oo, sige.
Ibang pa ito lang.
Oo, sige. Baba po.
Ang bilis.
Got you. Pasok. Uy! Mas late, mas late. Steady lang. Oh, left inside. Okay lang. Oo.
Mm.
360. Hole number 9. Back to 4 over. Sorry, 4 down. Dog leg left.
Wow!
Ganda. Kanan ng konti lang. May cart path.
Uy! Stop!
Okay lang.
Okay ka, shot?
Oh, safe. So may ano siya, kanan ng bunker. Ay, kanan ng cart path. Kailangan natin mababa na 3 down.
Yun, bumalik. Nice one. Nice one. Nice one. Nice shot.
Fairway.
Okay, fairway.
We are left with 137 yards, pero it's with the wind. So, might hit a 50 degree again. We need to win this hole para at least 3 down na lang kami going to the back. They're hitting their second shot. So, their golf ball, James's tee shot. So, swerte. Sayang. We are 137 ugs with the wind. Ay, kanan, bumuka from dampo.
Dalawa.
Okay lang.
Baba.
Okay lang.
Medyo bumuka. Hangin, hangin, hangin. Kumaliwa lang, pero good shot. Okay lang. Okay lang. Good try, brother. Shotty and Sam's second shot. Looking short. Okay, short. Bunker. We have this birdie putt to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 13. Sam and James's third shot. Sobra yata. Sobra. Mahina.
Uy, ganda. Nice shot.
Good shot. They have that. Maganda na naman. Go! Baba pa!
Magina. Paunahin na natin sila.
Ang laki.
Ay, nakaka-irita eh.
Yun, ano? Par.
Yes. Okay.
Pagka ko yung pating ko doon.
3. We're currently 3 down. Okay.
Nakakabuisit parang kotse
Par
nakabike.
5, 340 yards. Okay.
Si Lola naka-bright.
Dog leg left yata ito. Eh, inabot. Suspended ka sana ate. Talaga, hindi yan talaga. Sa ilalim ng puno. Nainitan.
Shot!
Shot.
Pwede na yan. Ay, saan yung cart natin?
We are still 280 yards from my tee shot.
Oy! Oy! Nice one.
Kaliwa ng bunker.
Safe.
Sa may ano? 70 yards to the flag. Sobrang little green to work with. Parang kailangan flop shot. Ganda. Go! 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 Okay lang, okay lang. Medyo aggressive ko ah. Good shot. Mukhang matulis. 15 yards to the pin. Right to left, ano? Mabagal pa, akyat.
Ay, ano kayo dyan?
Birdie. Kayo rin, di ba? Playing 3 din, 4 din? Sobrang laki. Yung sa dahon dyan sa right, Ugsa.
Yun.
Ito, hindi yun. Yung to. Ito yung,
Ito,
yan, yun. Oo.
Hindi pares diretso lang.
Ish, pero may right yan.
Parang maganda pa sa dahon.
Mabagal. Pwede. Mas mabagal ha, paakyat. Tama na. Uy, Lani.
Shit, nawawala yung ano pa.
Okay lang, I got you.
Uy, nag-kick rin. Up. Luba pa.
They need. Kailangan nila ilapit to. Give me range na kami. Oh, come on. Ambon na doon. Lakas. That's good, that's good.
Eh kung good yan eh.
Nakakuha.
Boy.
Mas make to go 2 down.
Is na lang to.
Nice putt, good par. Okay. We're ham and egging it. So we are now currently 2 down na lang. So ganda na habol namin ni Ugi. So hole number 11, par 4, 350 yards. So may water ito sa harap. Most likely I just need to lay up with, I don't know yet. Ganda! Ganda, Ugi! Nice shot, Ugi! Ay! Ay! Ganda! Ganda rin. Baby draw. Ay, tama na, tama na. Tama na. Good shot.
Okay naman tayo doon.
Layo, sir.
Great tee shot by Ugi. We're left with 90 yards against the wind, sobra. Baka kulang yata ang 50, 60. Bahala na. Sakto. Okay lang, safe, kaliwa. Parang hindi naman masyadong hinangin. No? Wala, kasi yung flag di gumagalaw.
Sakto lang to.
Wow, clutch!
Boy,
Wow,
nice
good
shot,
shot. Ganda. Boom!
Pasok. Ay! Diyan na lang.
Tapos pala yun. Pa pala.
Against eh.
Maganda.
Ay.
Oh, malaki nga ah. At
Diba?
laki pala sa kanan. To go, Sam and James, they have this spot for birdie. Pag na-shoot nila, 3 up ulit.
Sigma, di ba?
Laylay.
Bola.
Laylay din. Isang cup bug sa right.
Isang cup, laki ah.
Yun o.
Hi! Good putt, Brad. Good putt. Never doubt. Good putt. Half. Good putt, James. They were able to half the hole. So 2 over. Parang with 200, 220, 222. 222. Grabe ang layo. Hindi, sobra ka dun. Okay na yun, 4. Ganda, Ugi. Perfect. Draw. Eh, sayang. Ganda na simula ng panoy. Pa-draw. Okay lang. Before the bunker. Ganda. Ay, linya rin ng bunker. Hindi rin nag-draw. Parang pumasok.
Shot.
Sa coconut nga dumiretso.
Diretso. Hindi, may atras.
Ganda. On the green. Wow. Ay.
Okay. 17 yards to the flag. Right to left, ano? Naku, mahina, Ugs. Rim! Nagdig sa ilalim.
Ano ka ng bola? Ano?
Sorry. Okay. They are for birdie. Ng target, please. Ako, malakas. Okay, malakas. We have a chance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, Ugs.
Ang lakas.
Mali yung feed ko.
Dapat pinapamadali pala kita magpat.
Nice spot. Spot each.
Yun yun, according to the rule. Yun!
Hindi, pag binigay na hindi.
Uy, pasaw.
Okay, both teams parred. Bogey. Both teams bogey, so we're still currently 2 down. So, par 4, hole number 13. 380 yards. I think dogleg right yata to. Parang alam ko na, naalala ko na layup to. Naku, patay din.
Paano maka-cancel tong game eh? Tigil-tigil yung ulan.
Oo, laglag. Hindi solid yung tama. Pila natin doon tayo sa kanan. Kanan din. Fade. Okay lang, ganda.
Ano? How did you do?
Okay. We had to take a drop. Parehas kaming laglag ni Ugi. Ham and egg. Nako. Kaliwa. Game.
Ay, wag na doon. Ito lang.
Sa kanan lang na to.
Opo, yun lang po.
Pipinahan ko tong pinya.
Opo. Good shot. Kumaliwa.
Wala lang sa green pero kaliwa.
Okay lang, at least safe.
Sa left tayo, no?
We are chipping for
Sa left.
par.
Ay? To the left.
Left to right.
Left to right.
Oo nga, no, laki. Oo nga, no? 23.
Malakas lang. Diba?
Kahit pa mo kong paakyat.
Kaya balik ka.
Okay, back to 3. Up. That's good. Hole number 14. 450 yards. We are currently 3 down. Dog leg. Left. Ganda eh.
Lima na lang, Luigi. Lima na lang.
Kailangan natin mababa dito.
Pag nabawi ng kidlat ka lang, may kidlat.
Ganda!
Good shot.
Perfect! Perfect draw. Layo niyan. Nice one, Ugs. James and Sam, second shot. 230 yards pa to the flag. Ganun kalayo sa Langar. We are taking Robert's tee shot 200 yards to the flag. Okay lang. Safe mo lang.
Four!
Kumanan.
Opo.
Both teams are still outside of the green. Both chipping, pitching for par. Sorry, for birdie. Playing 3. We are 30 yards.
Akyat!
Ay, kinapos. Good par, Sam. Lakas. Sobrang napit. Ang lakas sobra. Okay, we are currently 4 down. Ganda ng tira ni Sam.
Dapat 6 lang yata.
Oo, mga ganun lang. 310 yards. Short par 4. Okay lang. We need to win the last 4 holes para lang mag all square. We are dormid. Saan? Ganda. Nice shot. We are taking my tee shot 84 yards to the flag. A little room, little green to work with. Ay, hangin. No? Tinangay ng hangin. Nakagod. Safe mo lang. Sobra. 23 yards for our third shot. Kaliwa ba to?
Opo.
Ayun na yan.
Nice out.
Wow.
Uy!
Di na ako titira.
Sam and James have this putt to win the outright match. They have 2 putts to win. If we make
Nice. But
good match. Good match.
talo na naman tayo.
Oo nga. Good putt.
Thank you. Maganda yung tira mo sa stand.
Wala naman ding kwenta. Good putt, Ugs. Thank you, brother. Good match, James. Good match, brother.
Palagi na lang kayo nananalo sa plus.
Good match, brother. Good match, Sam. Good match, brother. Dapat pala minamadali ka eh. Para nakakahabol kami.
Kukunin ko ano.
So, number 16, par 5, 552. Layo. Talo na kami. We are... Hindi ko nakita. Kumanan ba? Ayun, tumama. Tumama sa nyug. Safe. We're left with napakalayo, 350 yards pa to the flag. Angat. 4, Sam, 4.
Shot.
Oh, before the bunker pa. Layo. That was 240 yards pa. Pero it's only playing 124 yards. To the flag.
Oh, di ba?
Ulo. Mas bagay, lakas ng hangin. Ang cute ng sapatos mo pa.
Shoot mo na.
Pasok pa. Okay, we have this birdie putt. Layo. 2, 3. Birdie! Unang birdie namin. Oh, lakas ah.
Pasok na.
Sarap ang pakain. Oh,
Ano,
17,
142
par
lang?
3, 142 yards. Ano tayo? 50, 56.
120 against.
Against. Pwedeng 150. Parang 50 yards. 50 degrees. Wow, ang ganda.
Panalo pa rin kami.
Oo.
Ang ganda naman ng butas.
Sa pera, gastusin. Benta. Yun, sumunod. Walang hangin eh.
Ayan, safe.
Patong.
Kala ko may ganun.
Yung narinig ko yung sapatos mo. Kaliwa eh. Boom! Sobrang kaliwa. Flag ball.
Nice shot.
Hangin! Wala eh, kaliwa rin.
Kick right.
Short, flag ball din.
Flag ball din.
Yun, may pag-asa. Shot.
Yun, no?
May kasi iniiba yung pag-asa.
Oy,
Bro.
Okay. Mga tirang 10 yards ba? Sige.
Lakasan ko
Left to right.
para wala nang
Ang lalakas nga bigla ng pat at saka pitch mo. Mga 10 yards. Yun, sakto.
Pasok.
Ang laki sa kaliwa. Lakas pa rin.
Stop na.
Okay, Sam for birdie.
Si Alin ba?
Malakas.
Isang bola.
Regular putt mo, sir.
Isang bola ba yun?
Kulang, bakit? Bakit? Pokpok.
Okay, last hole. Langer 402 yards. Dog leg right.
Tama, binigay siya PWD, pare visual.
Yun.
Yun, maganda.
May draw.
Ay, shoot. Triple. Ay, tumalun.
Eh, ganda.
Ganda naman nun, Luigi. Yun, no? Nice shot. Dumiretso. Huwag mo na murahin, dumiretso.
Layo, ganda. Oo, gitnang-gitna, Ugs. Nice shot, brother. Pati sa par 3.
Saan kaya umabot yun?
Layo, Ugs. Doon na sa...
Ano ba yan?
Uy, short. Nyort. Mga...
Ay,
Saan ka shot?
Uy, ganda.
Uy, bite. Okay.
Kaya nga, pababa, ang bilis. May chamba. Kaliwa ba to? 4. Kaliwa to, Tilani? Kanan. May isang grip. Dun sa mga naka-light brown na yun, yung malaking yun.
Yung may
Parang
dumi na yun. Nasa taas, nasa likod ng light.
kanan. Ganun pa. Mas malaki pa pala.
Nice game, brother.
Good round, brother. Sorry. Sorry. Bagal ka, ano?
Yan o. Ay!
What a difficult round. Bogey. Puro bogey. Good round. Talo ulit kami. We are currently 2-2 since humingi sila ng mga plus. Thank you, Ugi, sa pakain. Thank you. Thank you. Kami ang nagpakain.